it's Melissa. In this video, I am going to show you how to make custom t-shirt transfers for a sports team in a hurry. This is really cool. So using the Fontsy custom gang sheet builder, you can very quickly and easily not only upload your own files or designs, but you can also find a bunch of free ones that we have in the gallery. But in this case, we're going to upload one. We're going to make some t-shirt transfers for a sports team, a basketball sports team. So I'm just uploading a PNG file, but there's several file types you can upload to the builder. Now, the transfer size, gang sheet size that I picked was 22 by 60. I'm not 100% sure that's what I need, but we're gonna see. We need to make 10 or 11 transfers here. So first thing I'm doing is just sizing the initial transfer. So these are for, you know, like a teenager basically. So once I have one and it's sized, I am going to duplicate it by just telling the builder how many I need. Now what I can see here is I have some extra gang sheet I don't really need. I'm going to actually see if I can use a smaller one. So instead of 22 by 60, we'll try 22 by 48, and that works out perfectly. So save a little money. All these transfers for $15.99. Okay, so then using the text tool, I am now going to be able to add text and personalize every single transfer very, very quickly. So once I type out the text, I am going to pick the font and change the color, and then we will be able to, just like we duplicated the basketball transfer itself, I'm gonna duplicate the names. Now you do have to go into every one and position it and then just retype the name that you want there. But the great thing is that the font and color are all stay the same. So I'm just gonna go through this process, adding names to every one. If you wanted to have different colors or different styles, you would be able to do that. It's completely up to you. So here I just duplicated a whole bunch in a row. Sometimes this gets a little wonky because it's difficult to kind of grab the one that you want. So you can see I'm kind of struggling here to actually select the one that I want. So you might actually have an easier time just duplicating as you go. But that's all there is to that. So I'm going to work through these very quickly. This probably took me a total of, I don't know, 3 or 4 minutes from uploading the design to the complete layout here. Now, of course, with a gang sheet builder, you don't have to have all of the same design. You could fill the rest of the design or the rest of the gang sheet with something completely different. And if you spend over $49.95 on gang sheets, then it's free shipping. Now, in this case, I'm actually going to make another transfer a little bit larger for the coach. So I just enlarged that one. And then the other thing I'm going to do is make the font color or the text color on here just black instead. So it's a little more neutral. And then I'll go in and I'll finish updating the names. And we have got one more little room. So why not, you know, we are paying for the gang sheet itself, the size of the gang sheet instead of the actual transfer. So you might as well fill the space that you have here. Okay. And again, you can personalize with whatever you want. So whoever number 12's mom, she gets a shirt, she gets a gang, she gets a transfer. All right, then you are just going to go through the process to finish ordering. So you're just going to confirm. That is going to send you directly into the cart where you can check out. I've got a couple here in my cart you're going to see, so I'm just going to delete the one that I don't need. And that is going to leave me with that whole gang sheet that I had. So as I showed you, $15.99 for all those. And then we will print and send them to you. And all you have to do is press. So these transfers go on in as little as 15 seconds. You can put them on with a heat press, as you can see I'm doing here, or you can use an iron. The great thing about direct-to-film transfers is they can go on any color shirt, black, white, gray. They apply to any type of fabric, so polyester, cotton, blends. So they're very, very versatile and very, very easy. So if you didn't want to do the transfers for your whole team, you could just give them the transfer and they could do it. All you have to do is wait until the transfer is cool after you press or iron it on and then peel it off. And you can see that even on the darker color, it still shows up great. So check out Fontsy's Gang Sheet Builder for your own press and peel transfers.